Hi, it's Graham Bibby here. It's the 27th of July 2018. I'm here drinking a serious cup of coffee as I review the world markets. I just wanted to go over with you crazy thing that happened last night with the new stock and also what difficulties we've been having with the markets this year. What I've got on the screen here is a Europe ETF, and you can see this is right here where this arrow is the end of last year, and then we started off looking good, and then it all crashed, and it was looking good and down, then okay, down and up and down, and then it's been quite a difficult market to trade, especially if you're not a short-term trader, and we try to be a longer-term trader, and this is the uptrend that we present ourselves with now. And the day before yesterday, we were here looking like this. It bottomed out and we're moving higher. And then last night was a down day, so that's not great. Semiconductors, which semiconductors are in everything you can imagine these days. This is an ETF that we made a lot of money on in the past, but you can see here it's in these crazy ranges where it just about starts to give a buy, then collapses back, and then looks like it's going into a new uptrend and collapses back. And then last night was a strong day, possibly indicating again that we could be in this new upward trend. And when we get into the nice trends, we get this kind of movement. So this has been, typical of the market as a whole this year. This is the S&P 500. Again, see all these whipsaws? They're not prolonged downtrends, they're not uptrends, and we've broken above these highs. So you would expect to go higher. However, I'm finding it difficult finding stocks like this is Red Hat, which is in the cyber security, computer security business, which should be booming, but that fell off the edge of a cliff in June. It's trying to recover now, so not easy. One company that I do like that went down a lot, which seems to be recovering, is OLED. It's the displays for the new telephones. I don't have a new telephone, but this telephone here, these screens, this is a new technology by Universal Display Corporation. The great thing is their clients are Samsung, iPhone, and LG. So, they supply all the market. This company isn't in the top notch of anything at the moment because iPhone delayed use of the new screens because it is substantially more expensive, and that delay really hurt this stock. So in January it was 210, and we're picking it up for around 100, 101 now. So aggressive players, could have been in a bit earlier, but just wanted to wait for a bit more confirmation. And what should happen is the fundamentals should improve substantially, and there's no reason it can't go above that 200 level. So it's let me just see where we are on the time. It's not telling me that. Oh yes, we are 3 minutes and 43 seconds. So as Graham Bibby saying, it's tough out there. The crypto world's been hammered. There was a nice move recently on Bitcoin, and you could have traded that for a nice result. The problem with that is you need to be able to get in and get out very quickly. And I'm even looking there at 4-hour charts, 15-minute charts, and 5-minute charts, which I suggest most of you don't want to do. I am looking to run a training course for trend analysis, for stocks, funds, and then also if you're interested in crypto. But crypto, my experience already is you have to look at the screen. You have to have it on in front of you all the time because things can move quite quickly, and you can go from profit to loss in minutes, if not hours. So Graham Bibby on the 27th of July saying, I'm still watching all these markets. I still think there's going to be a melt up when Mr. Trump sorts out his negotiations. I see stocks like this one, which we got out of, Baozun, which is Chinese stock. Excuse me. I had this correction here from 66 to 50, which is 30 something percent, but it's on its way up. But the problem is, I don't see enough positive trends to warrant just zooming in and buying all over the place because I'm fearful of getting whipsawed again and more losses. So hold your hats. There's plenty of good private equity deals out there. If you're looking at those, plenty of good property deals. It's all about diversification and also patience. So Graham Bibby saying, here's my little friends, 3 new friends. I don't know if you know what they mean, but here they are. I'm going to put them on a little shelf in my new office, in my new pad. I've got a gold Buddha up on the wall to give me inspiration and to oversee and make sure that we get some good opportunities. So if you want to chat about anything, just send an email to Brenda and let's fix up a chat. Even if it's strategy, even if it's what you've got, where you've got it now, even if it's a balance, you want a bit of mentoring on spreads between property, etc. And if you want to buy a property and you want to buy one undervalued, seriously undervalued, my partner that I work with just bought himself another property in WA, which 10 years ago was selling for 380. He just picked it up for 280. The land component is worth 250 and he's getting 370 a week rent, which sounds great to me. And we know if you wanted to buy the land and then build that house right now, you wouldn't get any change out of about $430,000. So his 280 purchase must at some stage go at least above 430, and in the meantime he's got a very good rate of return while he's holding it, and mortgages are available for those who need them. Bye bye for now. Have a great weekend. Bye.